Hello everyone, this is Line and you're watching Learn with Line. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make new shapes in Adobe Illustrator by using shapes to cut into other shapes. So here I'm going to show you an example with an ellipse. So I'm going to draw an ellipse and let's just give it a fill color of black, and then let's go and choose another shape like a star, and we're going to put this star partially on the outside over here. And if we select both of the shapes, you can hit Control A or just use the selection tool to hold Shift and click on each of the shapes, and then go to this tool called the Shape Builder tool. So once you have that tool selected, you'll see as I hover my mouse over the different parts of the shapes here, they now have their own shape. So what you do is you click on each one, and this way it creates the shape. Click on the selection tool again, deselect, and then select, and you can now drag out each of the new shapes that you've cut. Sort of like a cookie cutter. All right. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't have to use shapes to do this. You can also use a stroke. So to do that, you can hit the P key or click on the pen tool. Click in one spot, then click in another, and then select the two objects. Go to your Shape Builder tool again, click it. Now you'll see as I hover over the two different parts there, they're selectable, so I'll click on it and click on it, and then hit the selection tool again, and then separate them. And now we've got separate shapes separated by a stroke. There you go. And that's how to make new shapes by cutting shapes with shapes in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for my next video, please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This is Line, and you're watching Learn with Line.